case here. Comes like this in the bag. Basically, this will fit in there like that. We'll unbag it instead of unboxing it. So it has like this shell skeleton thing. There. It comes with this here. It's kind of in it. It's about the size of the tablet. Yeah, but about exactly the same size as my tablet. So the idea of this is you want to line up the camera with the hole here, and the headphone jack and the charger jack. Your reset button will reach there. You don't really need to worry about that too much with this application. So probably best to squeeze it in this way, and then just work the tablet in there like that. There. And it just fits over it like that. So now you get this nice case here for your tablet. And if you want to hold your tablet up or have it hold this way while you're working with it, it's great. And it also gives this very durable, gives it this grippy edge to it. So when you're working with your tablet, you got this this whole area for it, which I think is great. It makes it very robust feeling. Feels like you can drop it. This is awesome for this tablet. That's all it is. And it reaches the reset button. You get your volume control knobs, your on off, your volume to turn on the tablet. You got your headphone jack there, and it also has the USB charger. A very spacious hole for the USB charger as well, which is good. So yeah, you can keep the tablet up like this, and sit it, and then look at it this way. You can hold it the other way and lean it forward, or just the stand part is really great with this device. You still have the camera right there. There's just a button on some of them for that, so good. I gotta wipe off the screen on this tablet because it's just nasty. This, I guess, is just garbage. That's the tablet watching. So if you are interested in any of these products that I'm reviewing here in these videos, please refer when you come to the description box. I might have a link either for Amazon or for eBay where you can get one of these products. And so with that, it will help me, it'll help my channel out a little bit by giving me a little bit of a commission on these products. Or if you don't want to help me, but you want the products, you can go to the link and get it so that I don't get my commission. But if you want to help me, please use that link that's at the bottom of the description and just help me with making a little bit of commissions to help my channel grow. Thank you very much. And please give this video a like, share, and subscribe.